Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Type command line. Users, less than your username greater than, library, application support, Google, Chrome, default. Press enter and Finder will access the folder with your bookmarks. If the folder is hidden, you can still access it with Finder.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To view bookmarks on an Android smartphone or tablet, follow these steps. Open the Google Chrome browser. In the upper right corner of the browser window, tap the icon. Select Bookmarks from the drop-down menu that appears.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In your Chrome browser, click the Chrome menu icon and go to Bookmarks, Bookmark Manager. Click the menu icon beside search bar and click Import Bookmarks. Select the HTML file that contains your bookmarks. Your bookmarks should now be imported back to Chrome.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.